Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. I'm so glad you can join me for another fun video. We have a fun toy we're opening. It's Chuck and Friends. This time, it's a construction site. And we have a wrecking ball with Chuck, the dump truck. And here's the complete collection. And you can see Chuck driving up, and then you can see the wrecking ball smashing action. It folds up and goes anywhere, and you can park Chuck right inside. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here is the wrecking ball with Chuck the dump truck. There's a fun wrecking ball included, and to set up this set, all you have to do is pull this back over here. You've got a roadway here that lifts up, and the wrecking ball actually goes up and down. So let's put Chuck up here and see how this works.
Hi kids, I'm Chuck the dump truck, and welcome to my wrecking site. Let's have some fun.
The set includes a parking. Flip this down and Chuck fits right inside.
Hey Chuck, how's it going? Come check out my construction site. It's really fun. Look, Lightning McQueen is here too. And who's this? I made her. Guys, I have something fun to show you. Come check out my construction site. Wait for me, wait for me. Oh, me. Oh, it's a party now. Come on, guys. Follow me.
Help me, I'm about to fall off. Help me. Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch more videos by clicking the I above. Bye, everybody.